Hi, we're Mark and Darla from Remax Escarpment, and we're here today at our latest listing at 150 Wilson Street West.
That's in Ancaster, and our suite is up here on the 3rd floor. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath unit with beautiful exposure, sun rising here in the east and south and setting in the west. And what else, Darla?
2 parking spaces.
Amazing. Let's take a closer look at what this condo has to offer. With 2 parking spaces.
Thank you for visiting us today at 150 Wilson Street West in Ancaster.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this condo, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Ancaster, please call us. My name is Mark. I can be reached at 905-512-1846.
And my name is Darla. I can be reached at 289-888-1987.